Bienvenue guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing some saltfish and ripe plantain pie or empanadas. And for today's recipe we're going to be starting off with some herbs and vegetables. Now I'll put a list of what they are in the description box. And now I am going in with my saltfish. Now I have boiled majority of the salt out. And next I'm going in with some onions, followed by some black pepper. And like I said, I did not boil all the salt out, so I'm leaving it like this. And next I'm going to add some turmeric, the powder, to some warm water and form a slurry, and then add it to that saltfish. Now I added a little bit of water to there just so it doesn't dry out, and it is all done. Next we're going to be starting to fry our ripe plantain. Just look at how beautiful this is. And next I'm adding the slices of ripe plantain to the oil, and I'm going to allow them to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now when frying plantain you do need to keep your eye on it because it can burn in a split second. Now what I like to do, I like to continuously turn my plantain when I'm frying it so I get that desired color that I would like. And now I'm going to start removing those that are done. They may not all be done at the same time. Place them on some paper towels. And after this, I am going to cut them into smaller pieces so that they can fit into that empanada dough. Now I purchased this ready-made empanada dough from my local Caribbean supermarket. Now if you'd like to make it on your own, that is fine. Now I did not have sufficient time to make the dough on my own, so I went ahead and I bought these. Now I think there's like 10 in a pack, and they are individually separated. So the first thing I'm going to do is have a light dusting of flour so that the dough does not stick to the surface that it's on. And here I am removing that plastic film from the dough that was used to separate it. And I'm going to just flip over the dough. Next, I'm going to use my rolling pin. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to dust off the excess flour. And next we're going to start with the filling. So I am going in with 2 spoonfuls of that saltfish, followed by the plantain. Next I am going to just lightly dip my finger in some water and just brush that across the edge of the dough. Now this is for sealing. Now once I've done that, I'm just going to fold the dough over. Now be gentle with it. And I'm just going to press the edges against each other. And to reinforce that seal, I'm going to be pressing with a fork. Now you can lightly flour your fork so it does not stick to the dough as you go along, like I'm doing in here. And then I also reinforce by flipping it over and doing the same. Now I completed the rest of the pies, and here they are. Now next I'm just going to cover it up with some plastic wrap, and then I'm going to place it into the fridge. Now do not forget to use those dividers. I reuse them after I peel them off. And they were indeed very handy for this because you don't want them to stick together. So they were in the fridge for about 2 hours. And now it's time for frying. Now I placed them into the oil. The oil is hot. It's at 350 degrees. And I'm going in 3 at a time. Now what I like to do after about 2 minutes, I start to flip them. That way they gradually build up the color that I want. instead of waiting for one side to get totally brown and then flip it over. Now this is after the second flip, and just like I said, I do want it to get that brown gradually. And this is my last flip before I take them out. They are getting that beautiful brown color that I love. And it's time to remove them. I'll be placing them on some paper towels in a plate and allow them to drain any excess oils. And then I'll be moving on to the next batch. I'll be doing that off camera, and I'll be seeing you guys in a few. Just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to almost 20,000 of you who have been riding with me. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and sharing my videos. And if you have not done so as yet and you like my content, don't forget to hit that notification bell and that subscribe bell. Thank you once again for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.